I put this fuel cell in out of my race car, and then I built a box around it. It opens up like this, and you can fill it up. It would look cool to carry around a box of dynamite, so I had my daughter stencil dynamite on the top of the fuel cell box. I put the new radiator in I bought, aluminum one, new hoses, fan, and I run the tranny lines down there. I finished up the floor, filled in the middle section. Tunnel turned out really nice. As I did with the rest of the floor, I made a cardboard template to make my tunnel cover. I made marks on the cardboard cutout where I needed to bend it, and I just used the edge of the box to roll it how I needed it to fit in the cab. The box side support was rusted out, so I fabricated new ones. The truck needed a mirror, so I had this mirror laying around, and I built this bracket to hold it onto the truck. Next, I'm going to wire the lights, get that working. Bought these brake light, signal light, tail light things off Amazon. Let's get it working.